Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are seeing this type of pop-up in front of you, that is warm reminder pop-up when you are actually launching your CNFANS application over the website. Don't worry, here is how you can easily remove it in 2025. First of all, you need to come at cnfans.com, and once you are on this page, you just have to log in into your account. Now, once you have successfully logged in, whenever you get warm reminder pop-up show up, you need to just scroll down in the bottom of that message and you will see a small checkbox that would say don't show again or similar. Tick that box and now click on the close and confirm button. So what this will do is it will actually stop the reminder from appearing again and again. If the message keeps coming back, you can clear your browse cache and you can try logging in from the incognito mode and repeat the step. So this was very simple and easy. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips and drop your questions in the comments if you have any. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.